What's up, YouTube? It's Monday, getting stuff done. We're gonna finally get to this turbo Camaro this week, that LSA V2, and we have a Whipple Camaro on the lift. And we got Habibi. You drank all your coffee, Habibi?
It was done.
It was good? How you rate it?
100 over 10.
There you go. Nah. So back to cars, right? Got this Donk Caprice with the LT4. So came in like maybe a week ago.
Something like that.
I don't even know what's going on with this car. I don't know what we're gonna do.
Nah, we about to check it for spark, don't start. See the volts, right?
Yeah. Blower's back on the LSA. New camshaft is in. ATI seat dampener. Some DMS parts back there. LT1 Camaro, Habibi's tuning. Let's go see what he says about it real quick. Good, Habibi?
Leo car. Ported LT2 with headers and E85 and rotofab intake.
Bet.
Yeah. Old LT1 manifold, there's new LT2. Oh yeah, and the throttle body too. Yeah, and I had a K&N intake. Yeah. And
True?
I from that. Yeah. You got the rotofab. Yeah, rotofab's on now.
Yeah, nice. How much do you think she'll make?
I'm hoping like 480 at least.
She is putting on some of the belts.
Sir,
And then,
belt fan, gap the plugs, valve covers, throw the lid on. First start. That's it.
Yeah. So pretty soon.
Wrap it up today.
What y'all think about Habibi's painting skills?
We getting that way with this. Ain't it sweet not having like a dock?
Yeah.
Remember how we had to do that before? It was so weird.
This motor is actually for the orange Ram that was here on our last video. So the motor's going over to the machine shop. Stay tuned. Drop a like.
LSA block.
Oh, true.
Something slight.
Oh, strong man. All right.
Okay, big man.
So this is the LSA block that blew up. All right, y'all. We're back. It's our last day of the week. It's Friday. Still have this V2 over here. We've been waiting for parts. Been a little bit slow to get these, but the belt is finally here. So we've been waiting for this thing for like 2 days now. So she's gonna wrap this up today. Hopefully get it on the dyno. So